Hey babes, welcome back to another For Your Mother. We back with a hair tutorial, and I'm a little sick because of the pollen trying to take me out, but we gonna just go ahead and jump into the video. I'm gonna come in and out and let y'all know what we got going on. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, but make sure you subscribe. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out on the next few videos I got coming, okay? So make sure you subscribe, because I'm tired of y'all looking but not subscribing. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video for me. And yeah, let's get into this tutorial. As you can tell, I'm doing a frontal ponytail, and we're gonna get into some Barbie vibes real quick, okay? So you just see me trying to put my real hair into a ponytail. It's kind of key to get that ponytail as sleek as possible for your foundation, for your frontal. I straightened my hair about like 5 days before this, so my hair was pretty straight, and I don't really straighten my hair nothing but once. I don't go back in and do anything to it. So yeah, it was pretty straight. So I know y'all tired of seeing this frontal, but we reuse hair over here. Like, I know y'all be too bougie and too rich to buy, to reuse y'all hair. Y'all buy new frontals in here, but we reuse them over here. So this is the same frontal from my $50 frontal video. Yes, that's the same frontal, and I'm using bold hold. I just really started using bold hold, and you know what I'm saying, I like it. You do have to work quick with bold hold because it dries super quick. So once you put it down, go ahead and smooth it out. You don't want to wait for it to dry. Like, sometimes with got to be, you have to kind of wait for it to dry. But with bold hold, you literally put it down, smooth it out, and go ahead and apply the next layer because it dries super quick. So right here, you're going to see me start to apply the frontal. I do, kind of move it around a little bit, just because you have to kind of see where it actually looks right on your head. You do not want your frontal touching your eyebrows, mama. You don't want that, because that's not cute. So you'll see where I'm going to go in and trim it. But yeah, just make sure it's in the perfect position for you. Sorry if y'all hear the cars and whatever. But yeah, make sure it's sitting correctly on your head. You don't want it to be too far up or too far back. And if it does, you can just go in like I did and cut off the excess lace. So when you're applying the glue, if you do have to go back in and like apply some more to like your ear tabs, everybody know that's the hardest part to keep down, especially when you're doing like a ponytail or frontal. It's very hard to keep those ear tabs down. So sometimes people do it last. I mean, if they keep coming up, I would suggest do it last, but you really just have to make sure they're secured. So for this part, you're going to see me use the hot comb a lot. I feel like if you do hair, you already know this, but if you don't learn anything from my videos, you need to learn that you need a hot comb. Like, baby, listen, the hot comb gonna be your bestest friend, because the hot comb is going to help you melt that freaking lace, okay? Like, it's gonna help you get that lace looking like you got straight scalp. And also the elastic band, but if you really like put that elastic band down and use that hot comb, mama, they gonna be like, what lace? For real. So you're gonna see me use the hot comb for like 5 minutes in this video, and you're gonna see why at the end. So I wasn't laughing at myself. I was on the phone with my mama, and y'all know how I be when you on the phone with your mama. But see, look at the lace. Look at the lace though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all was talking shit about me with my hot comb, but you see how that hot comb melted that lace into my skin. Like, what lace? What? That's my real hair. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Play with your mom. Don't play with me. But yeah, you see why I told y'all to use a hot comb? Because that's gonna be your bestest friend. So all I'm doing is putting a little bit of my edge control on like the front part of my lace, and I'm just gonna use that to kind of help mold my ponytail. I'm not using nothing else but a little bit of edge control, and I used the hot comb and a little bit of mousse when I did the hot comb, but not a lot at all. And you see that looks like straight scalp. Okay, we're not even done yet. So you're seeing me right now. I'm just pulling out a few of the edges, and like trimming them down to how I like it. And then I'm just gonna go in and like sleek my edges down and put my scarf back on and proceed with the ponytail. Now, the edge control I use, everybody probably uses edge control, but I use the Even, I believe it's like Even 24-hour extreme firm hold in the purple. Y'all know the purple can, okay? That's what I use. That's the only thing that works for my real edges, and so I just put that on my frontal, and it just, you know, make it lay real nice. Okay, so quick disclaimer, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to brag or nothing, but I know, you know, the front part is the frontal. But the hang time, that's all me for real. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I'm just saying. I have grown my hair, you know, this long before, and I just always cut it. But listen, baby, look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. Don't play with me. Like, I really work hard to keep my hair healthy under them wigs. But, yeah. So I'm back again with the Remy blue. If you didn't see my first ponytail video, go look at it. I think it was like in my self-care vlog. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I swear by Remy blue. You know what I'm saying? I swear by some things like that edge control, but I swear by Remy blue because it's like it you know, it's affordable version. That's that version. Human hair. So it always gets the job done when you need to do like a ponytail look, or maybe like a quick weave bob. I really do swear by this hair, so I really wanted to try this deep wave hair that they had, and it really turned out, it did what it had to do. I mean, I just wouldn't suggest the extended ponytail. I would just try to like wrap it around the base of the ponytail, because you see how long my hair is. My arms were freaking hurting wrapping that ponytail for like 10 minutes. But yeah, unless you want to wrap all day, I would suggest not doing extended ponytail unless you have like shorter hair. But hey, it got the job done. So I just used a little bit of Got To Be spray, freeze spray, not Gorilla Glue, baby, don't use Gorilla Glue. But yeah, and a little bit of spritz to, you know, wrap the base of my ponytail. And I just used the blow dryer. Honestly, y'all, I only wore this hairstyle for like 3 days, and I took the curly part out and just wear my real hair because it was long enough, you know what I'm saying? So this was really just for the video purposes. I'm going out of town, and I gotta, you know, I'm gonna bring the wig videos back. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all want a wig review, so I got it, and it's from Amazon, and it's affordable. So subscribe. Why you ain't subscribed yet? Crazy tell self, nah. So yeah, let's see how this came out. Let's see if I know what I'm doing. You know, I heard I can't do hair and stuff, so let's see.
New text message.
Oh no. So like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by this ghetto behind car trying to expose me. It came out nice, okay? And I did that. Like, it came out nice. The only thing I did do off camera, because I couldn't see, I went in the bathroom and I kind of just like, you know what I'm saying, layered the ponytail a little bit, trimmed it to my liking. But it really turned out nice, okay? And I hope you babies enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really miss making tutorials, and I'm back. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all.